Thank you for visiting the JAMSCAKES YouTube channel, where you can learn how to create art you can eat. Now, this is the Lauren Kitchen's recipe for an easy Swiss Merengue Buttercream. First, I start off by adding in my egg whites, then my powdered sugar, and I place my KitchenAid setting to 1. After the powder has been incorporated into the mixture, then I increase the speed to 6. During this time, I usually take my butter out of the fridge and place it in the microwave for about 40 seconds so that it becomes room temp. Once your buttercream reaches this fluffy white texture, now you can add in your butter by cubes. The speed of your KitchenAid should remain on 6. Now, don't be afraid if your buttercream starts to look like cottage cheese. This is perfectly normal. Just leave it on for another 15 to 20 minutes and it should firm up. Once your buttercream has reached your desired texture, place the speed back down to 1 and add in whatever flavor you like. Then speed it back up to 6 for another 5 to 10 minutes. My favorite way to flavor buttercream includes different liquid emulsions and even syrups such as Torani. They come in so many different flavors. I included a link below for the tool list so that you can choose different flavors of your own. Please make sure to hit that red button to subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.